In this video you will learn how to fix the trim function if it is not working in Excel. So trim function basically is used to remove your unwanted space in Excel. So I have given 3 examples, so we will go one by one, and there are different methods how you can remove space in Excel. The first, let's take the example of trim function and understand what is trim function. So equal to trim, open the bracket, select your text and close the bracket. So it will remove before and after the space. So in case you have in between space, it is not going to remove. So how we can fix that? To fix it, instead of trim, you can use your substitute formula. Equal to substitute, open the bracket, select your text, comma, double quote, space, and then double quote without space, and close the bracket and enter. So now you can see here in between space also is gone. So this is just an example. So now if I am going to copy the same formula in the right side, you can see here I have the total, but it is not getting the total. So now how I can total it? You can simply plus 0 at the end, so that it will convert to numbers and it can do the total. So what is the alternative method? So instead of 0, if you don't want to type 0, you can type VALUE, value formula, and end, just close the bracket and enter. So it will work the same way and it will give the total output. So now sometimes you might have copied your information from Internet Explorer or somewhere where your information, if you use trim function or even your substitute function, it will not work. So in this case, how you can fix those issues? Let's say, for example, equal to substitute formula, select your text, comma, you can use the char number 160 to remove your unwanted extra space, comma, with double quote, no space, and close the bracket. So now you can see here it is getting your all the numbers. Now at the end you can put plus 0 so that it will get the total. So now what is the alternative method? So the simple method is copy the text. For example, I am going to copy the text, go to your find and replace, select your one space, replace with nothing and replace all, so that it will replace all the space here. Right, now you can write a line and you can see here all the space is gone. So these are the different methods how you can fix the trim function if it is not working in Excel, and how to remove unwanted space in Excel. So please subscribe our channel for more useful videos, and please let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.